Hey Dashers, welcome back to the channel. Got money sitting in your Dasher credit card and not sure how to actually use it? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to correctly withdraw your funds step by step so you can access your hard-earned cash anytime. So first, open your Dash Direct app. Make sure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. Right on the home screen, you will see your available balance here. That's the amount you can access instantly. Use an all-point ATM. Dasher credit card works free with an ATM in the all-point network. Just insert your card and your PIN and withdraw like a regular debit card. Transfer your funds to another bank account. Tap on Move Money from your app. Then choose Send Money to someone or external bank. Enter the recipient's name, routing number and account number. Transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days. You can also skip withdrawals entirely and just use the credit card directly for shopping, paying bills or even online purchases. It works anywhere Visa is accepted. Add your Dash Direct card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for easy tap to pay at the stores. And that's it. Whether you are withdrawing cash or spending directly, your money is always within reach. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Dasher tips.